Welcome back, guys. So today is on a Saturday, and just go through the market recap. And honestly, I only took one trade which was last week, and we took this loss. This is Euro CHF, and I'll explain to you how we got stopped out. So firstly, you can clearly see on Euro CHF. Let me just show you what happened. You can clearly see that market was very much bearish on the daily time frame. We kept on breaking this zone, and we were now trading below. So this was my perfect time to enter my sales. And so as you can even clearly see that right here, market made a nice double top and broke below and came to retest, and even made a nice engulfing zone right there, which if I put on the forward time frame, you'll see this clearly. So you can clearly see that right here, market made another M pattern on the forward time frame. We can see this, and we had this nice break with this line here. We had this nice break, and we had this nice retest and a nice engulfing candle as well at this zone right here. You can see we have this nice engulfing zone right there. So what happened was I didn't take the trade when that engulfing candle happened, but I was supposed to enter at this zone right there. I was supposed to enter right after this engulfing, and my stop loss right above there, but I entered based off the I entered based off the I think this was the 1 hour, should be the 1 hour, being this nice engulfing candle at the 1 hour time frame right there. That's the one I placed my entry position. So this is the engulfing candle I used to enter my position. Let me just show you this. So this one right here is the entry that I took. And what happened was market entered in profits a bit, then it just went straight to our stop loss. We got wicked out, then we're having this nice rejection. So I even expect this next week to continue having this nice downward movement. And if you really want to participate in this position, the legit trade that you can, let me just move this now and reduce this because we got stopped out. The legit trade you can take is wait for another shift and retest at this same zone, then you can join in for the sales one more time, and you stop loss right above that same area right there. But for now, I'm no longer interested in that pair. Then NZD USD, you can clearly see I was waiting for a shift of structure in the 30 minutes time frame, because we tapped at the level that we're looking for, which was at this position here. So this is where I was waiting for my shift at this zone here, because market rejected at my OG level, which is right here. This is where I was waiting for market to reject, then break and retest. But you can see that we had the break, but we didn't have the nice confirmation candle that I wanted to take. Even though we had it at this zone, either way, I was still in that other trade, so I couldn't take. But you can see that was the confirmation for me to take the buys. But what saved me from this second loss is, again, I didn't take this trade because I was in one trade. But maybe if I took this trade, I would have again been in a loss. That's why I even always tell you that I like when the market fully retraces the point, not just hits the point. I don't like this week out. I just want a full body candle in my OG level, so I can see I can look for my shift nicely. Yeah, but so that's what happened in this pair. That's why I was not even much interested in it, even though it showed me what I wanted, is because I only got a weak retracement, not a body candle retracement on my OG level. Yeah, but that's what happened. Then CAD JPY. You can clearly see that my head and shoulder pattern did not get respected quite right, but I still like the way the market ended in breaking above one more time this zone, and you can breaking above this, and you can see market is now trying to test this zone, so you can look for buys again. So that's the only legit trade we might, if we take this pair again for this upcoming week, we might just wait for that retest, then that engulfing, then we can clearly take our sales. Yeah, but this is a very nice setup as well. This is not a bad trade actually, but yeah. So this is CAD JPY. Then GBUSD, GBPUSD had that retracement quite right, but on the first time frame, you can clearly see where we are having the shift. It's all the way back here. Same with the 30 minutes time frame. It's all the way back here, right here, because this is all market structure. Then I tried to see if maybe we can have a break above this level, because the 15 minutes time frame was had this a nice head and shoulder right there. But still, the legit trade is after we have this shift at this point, because this is where the 50 minutes is turning bullish. So we didn't get to see that, and market just didn't give us anything interesting in that pair towards even the end. Yeah, so we couldn't do anything as well. Okay, no, and yeah, that's what happened. Even on the first time frame, you can see we are just roaming around the retracement. So what would be nice for this pair is if we can have a nice break below, so we can have that shift, then finally that break to go up, so at least I can make a new lower low and a new lower high, so I can I can be buying at least at the OG level for my weekly level and daily level, which is at this point. Yeah, but we didn't see that now. So but I'm still much interested in this pair regardless. Even if it comes at this zone, I'll still be looking for buys. At that point, I'll still be looking for buys. I just want this to make a new lower low and a new lower high. Yeah, so and USD card, I already explained how we
Charge your phone, please.
How we missed this trade. Yeah, but it played out perfectly. You can see we had that nice head and shoulder, that nice engulfing candle right there on the forward time frame. Still, even though you missed that, you can grab one at the 1 hour time frame after this nice shift. You can see that nice shift, nice retest, nice engulfing. You can even put your nice engulfing right there. You can put your stop loss right above this zone here. But yeah, and we still missed on that one as well. But this is a very nice setup. Yeah, so I'll just do this since I didn't take them at the trade. But yeah, this is a very nice setup as well. Euro USD. I can clearly see that it did not retrace to the point that I was waiting for. Same with AUD, AUD and AUD USD. It didn't give us the retracement we are looking for. Then GBP CHF, this was the previous pair. So this is what I got for the previous week. So let me just share this with you guys, then I'll soon analyze what I'll be looking at for next week. But as of now, on the account, we are at $98,000, which is not very bad, not even bad at all, because all we need is a nice 1 to 2, then we'll recover and even end in profit. Yeah, so I just hope next week I might take at least 2 good trades, then we'll be very much stable on the account. But so that's it for this video.